good, sometimes I don't. Hey, no. I finesse down Western Road. Hey, next. Might go down to G.O.D. Yeah, wait. I go hard on South.
Hi guys, so I'm back with a new video. I'm going to show you just a little tutorial, a little festival makeup look that I made the other day. If you are interested, then keep on watching. I'm going to start off with my professional primer. I literally just put this in the places that get dry the most. After that, I'm going to get my beauty blender and just put a bit of foundation on there. Why ain't my camera focused? B, please. There we go. Whoa, that took a long time. The foundation I'm going to be using is Wake Me Up foundation. I used to use this foundation all the time, but it used to be my ride or die. I used to love this one, but yeah. If you're wondering why I'm looking over here, my mirror is just there, so it's kind of like a must. Oh God, love me. Right, so I'm just gonna splat that all over quickly so it don't dry. La 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 la. I'm actually loving this sun all the time. I'm actually so happy. Like last week I was so moody. I don't know what it is about the sun, but every time the sun's out I actually love it. Like I'm in love, and you can, especially when you have kids, like you can literally just leave the house and like nothing, you don't care about anything, and like it's so easy to leave. Whereas in the winter you're just literally sitting there thinking like, can I leave? Because I've got to get this, I've got to get that, it's going to be so much more difficult, and yeah, it just makes it so much of a harder thing to do. I'm just going to set my entire face. I'm going to look crazy, guys, I'm going to look crazy. Next is Moonstone in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And I'm just going to slap that on my contour brush by Real Techniques. And I'm basically going to put that all over my cheekbones. Up here. And literally just base that all above your eyebrow, like in a backwards C, basically. You just want to pile it all on. Like if you're going to a festival, this is exactly what I do anyway. Like I think the glittery you are in a festival is it's just dreams, isn't it? It's just dreams. We wish we could look like this on a regular basis, but don't happen, does it? Don't flipping happen. Right. We all nice and glittery there. Yeah, I think that looks good. Look good. Right, I'm gonna leave the rest of my face with highlight until after. So now I gonna go in with the magic, okay? And I did this. Now it's gonna look crazy, guys. Like this is why I tied my hair up for this video. Oh my word, what am I doing? Hey! I'm going to go in with a smaller brush because I just think it will look a lot better. I can't help but look at myself in the viewfinder and think, oh my gosh, if someone switches on right now, they're gonna be like, what the hell is this bitch doing? Sorry. Right, let's just go. Right, I'm gonna go in with Fire first, just to splatter it around a little bit. And I'm just taking out my brush, and Fire is kind of a matte colour, so yeah. And then I'm basically just gonna pat, because I don't want to ruin this, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. What the fuck am I going on about? I'm so sorry. I'm not even with it today. My kids have just left and like, what can I say? I get lonely. I'm then gonna go in with a Blaze, and it's an orangey shade. I'm going to show you here, that one. And I'm basically just gonna take that on top a little bit, and I say a little bit because you don't want to go over all of the red. You just want to lay it on top, but right next to the red, right next to that shade. But make sure you're patting again, guys, like you don't want to not pat. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. I don't know. I don't know, okay? Okay? I don't know. I'm basically gonna go in with another highlighter, which is Summer. And I'm gonna just pat that on. Basically, just to give it a little bit more light, you know? And look at that. I love it. Now I'm gonna go on the nose, and I prefer to use my finger with this. Just down the middle of my nose. For some reason it's not. There we go. There we go. There we go. Just a little dot there. Bam! Then under the eyebrows quickly. I'm not gonna do concealer on my eyebrows today. I'm just going a little bit highlighted. Yeah. Then I'm gonna go in there as well. I'm so sorry, I keep looking at the mirror. It must be annoying because it's annoying me. Why is it so bright? What is wrong with this camera today? Is that a bit better? That's a bit better, isn't it? Yeah, that's alright, that's alright, that's alright! I'm so sorry, I'm crap without a mirror, so, you know. Oh! No! So I'm so sorry, my battery died. I did do my other eye off camera. I used roller lash. I'm just gonna use my little tester high beam highlighter from Benefit. I haven't bought it. I'm just testing it out. So obviously that's what that looks like, and that side looks like that. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom you out now. There we go, we look a bit more all there, you know what I'm saying? What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get tourmaline, this colour. I'm just gonna pat that on my lid because I don't really want to have a sharp look, if you know what I mean, on my eye. Other eye. There we go. I'm gonna go in with my lipstick. I'm gonna need a mirror for this because I don't want to mug this up. Sorry, I can hear my music, you probably can't, but I can, so. History, you know about history? That's the one radio station I listen to. All the rest just play crap over and over and over again. They're good, they're good. I've basically just went ahead and done my brows off camera. This is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you really like the look. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. It would mean the world to me. And if you've stayed till this long, then don't forget to press the subscribe button to see this lovely face again. Cringe. Cringe. Bye.